Hey everyone, hope everything's going well for you guys. I am actually doing a little random video today. I actually started at this video actually is going to start at the end of the video just because I wanted to make sure I spotlighted or showed you guys what I really liked about this item. And so, in the middle here, I just kind of cleaned up my whole house. And I recently started creating images of African American royalty. And I was thinking back to when I grew up, and in my household, my mom had all this African American art on the wall, all these little African American figurines. And I mean, it wouldn't be a black household if you didn't have your Jet and Ebony magazines. And so as I was cleaning, I was like, you know what? I'm just like my mom. And I was like, that really made a or had a great impact on me growing up because I just loved my culture and my heritage. And, I didn't really struggle or care too much when people would say things, unkind things. But that is not the case for my youngest, as my videos show he's going through a difficult time at school. And I was like, well, I kind of got away from, having things around that solidified or made it the norm to see images or to have things that you could relate to. And so that was kind of why I wanted to recreate images and kind of help him navigate through his vulnerabilities and things like that. But anyway, the majority of the video is about this item I found at Walmart. I am a person of a certain age, so I'm a mop broom type of gal. Yes, I do have, or had vacuums, but I had always seen these awesome videos, and everyone had this little stick cordless vac. And look, I was at Walmart and I saw one, and it was only $40. So I jumped on the opportunity to buy it. And so this is just me unboxing it. So that's my little rant around my thinking of this video. So I will wrap it up. I hope you guys have a awesome rest of your day, week, month, year. And please like and subscribe. Hit the notification. Yeah, I said it all. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.